Guys, in this video we are going to look at hello guys, in this video we are going to look at Green API. So first of all, we would install it and go to level of marketplace and there search Green API and then install it. If you want to install on all the location, then install on the agency level. Otherwise you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case we are going to install on all the locations. So here I click it and then I allow then I proceed. So in this section you have to wait that app is installing on all the locations. So after this, go to the location level and go to app configurations and all the installed app will be show there and search Green and then click on configure button. Now you need ID instance and the token. So first of all you need a account on Green API. So search Green API and then make a account on it. So here create an instance. So you already created and I'm not authorized. So first of all I click there. From here you can copy the ID instance and the API token and then that I put there. So one more thing that you have to link this Green API with your WhatsApp. So for this click on get QR and scan this. Like if you scan this then just like a WhatsApp web. So if you scan this then your Green API account is connected to your WhatsApp and then you can use this. So after this submit, so the credentials are saved and then in the next step you can use this app in the automation in the workflow builder.